Welcome back to the Happiest Place Is Home kitchen. I'm in the kitchen making teriyaki burgers. We're using turkey meat. So I'm going to cut up a few pineapple slices because we're making sliders. If I had normal size rolls, I would make the normal size, but I happen to have the slider rolls, which I think are a good accompaniment to this because they're King's Hawaiian rolls. Okay. I've quartered my pineapple slices since we are doing sliders on the King's Hawaiian rolls. So I will set these aside and then I'm going to make mini burgers. What I like to do is just to cut the meat so that I have a better measurement. I quarter it and then I'm going to cut the quarters in half. It'll just make it simple. These cook down a bit. We have our homemade teriyaki sauce prepared, and I will coat the burgers with those at the end because we don't want it to smoke too much in the air fryer. Okay. I'll now hit the air fryer with olive oil spray. And I will plop the burgers in here. Okay, let me give you a peek at what the burgers as they're assembled look like. Now we will just get the air fryer started. Okay. I am going to set this to air fry. My temperature will be 360. And this is always set to 20 minutes. I'm going to make it 10 just so I have a lot of time to check it while I do other things. Okay, we'll flip them over midway. Here we go. These rolls are fabulous. I have another pack because these are torn apart because we give them to the dogs. I've been using them to surround my dog's medicine. So it's a lot less expensive to do it that way than to use, I don't know what they're called. It's like a pill pocket. But what I love about the air fryer is that we can multitask because it's doing the work for us. Okay, let's see how we're doing. They are not moving at all, so I know it's not time to flip them. There's a tip for your air fryer. Let's take a peek. Okay, let me show you what I mean when I say this. Okay, if you shape them, you're pretty sure to know that you could turn them over if needed. Okay, so let's do that. My dog is loving this situation. Okay, let's put those back in. As we're cooking, I wanted to show you how our teriyaki sauce has congealed a bit. This is ideal. Okay, so we've done a total of 12 minutes. And I'm just gonna check to make sure we're perfect. Okay, ideal. Let's take a look at this way and we'll assemble with our homemade sauce. I'm only using this sauce for this one time. So it's okay that I touch the meat and the sauce. Okay, so I've put it on one side. I'm going to put more on the bread to soak in a little. is our finished product. They look amazing, and I'm sure they'll be delicious, but I will let you know.